This week we are talking about our feet and arm positions. Each day we're going to kind of break down all of your different options. There are three major methods that we use in ballet. One would be our French method, our other would be Italian, and then our third would be Russian. Our positions also change when we go into our jazz classes, and ballroom even has their own set of positions, on top of the fact that we can also do all of these inverted. So throughout the week we're going to talk about our turnout, our parallel, and our inverted positions, and really break down why they're so important to each of those methods. Be sure to check back tomorrow as we start talking about our French positions. I will see you then.